Hello, it's John Cernuska with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're going to walk through 27 Sun Deck by Sea Ray. It's one of our favorite models here for many reasons. Good for shallow water, outboard power, Mercury 300, the new version of the Verado, which is a V8 naturally aspirated engine. Plenty of storage underneath just about every seat cushion here in the cockpit, as well as the aft sun pads. Designated cooler storage underneath that starboard seat cushion. You'll notice the helm seat as well as the port seat backrest leans forward, so if you wanted to face aft during entertaining while you're not operating the boat. Nice comfortable bow seating with port and starboard flip down armrests. You'll notice the beach boarding ladder, which is also the same area that houses your anchor, and a freshwater sprayer at the bow of the boat, as well as the aft, as well as another one in this head compartment here behind the door with a freshwater sink as well. Also have a nice Simrad flush mounted right into the dash, of course, so all your diagnostics from your engine is going to overlay onto that display, as well as it's your main GPS for navigation. Nice infinity woven material on the floor. It's a vinyl product that's padded on the back side, so it's comfy under the feet. And because it's vinyl, she won't hold any water, any moisture, so she won't mold up. Again, if you'd like any information about this particular 270 Sun Deck here in Fort Myers, or any other boat, please reach us 239-481-8200.